around tax season and those famous words from a real American president come to mind. I'm from the government, and I'm here to help. Government isn't helping you. Their spending addiction is driving up inflation, pushing up the cost on everything from groceries to gas, and then to add insult to injury, they raise your taxes. Save money where you can without having to sacrifice. Folks, I use Pure Talk. They're saving the average American family almost $1,000 a year on their wireless bill. Look at your bill. You're probably paying $80 a month per line to a company that doesn't really care about you, just your money. Pure Talk will give you talk, text, and plenty of 5G data for just $30 a month with no contract. Dial pound 250, save Dennis Prager, and save 50% off your first month. The U.S. customer service team will make switching zero and save Dennis Prager and start saving today.
Oil investments involve a high degree of risk and actual results may vary.
Oil keeps going up. Hedge against inflation and the downturn in the stock market. Get in on the next major oil boom now and help make an investment that could potentially pay you monthly income for up to 20 or more years. That's the sound of a producing oil well and the sound of a smart investment. If you are an SEC accredited investor, you can take advantage of Encore Energy's projects. The U.S. government needs your investment in oil, and you are allowed to write off on your taxes nearly 100% of your investment this year. Goldman Sachs is projecting oil to go up to $150 a barrel. Call 1-800-544-1221. Encore Energy is a very active oil and gas operator in its core area of operations. Call now and learn how to deduct 100% of your investment and create 20 or more years of potential monthly income. Call 1-800-544-1221. Encore Energy. That's 1-800-544-1221.
Hi, it's Mike Gallagher inviting you to join me for a remarkable travel opportunity that will change your life forever. Dennis Prager and I are headed back to the Holy Land, Israel, this October. It's the Stand with Israel Tour. Join us along with our trusted partner, Inspiration Cruises and Tours. We'll take you to key sites in the Holy Land, thoughtfully designed to give you unprecedented access to a region you've likely only read about. Visit StandWithIsraelTour.com and get all the details. We'll uncover important geopolitical locations and show you Israel's significance on the world stage, past, present, and future. Step foot on the ancient streets of Jerusalem. We'll sail the Sea of Galilee, pray at the Western Wall, and so much more. We'll have guides for our group, lavish food, and luxurious accommodations. No other trip will be like this one. Come with Dennis and me this October. Register today. Call 855-565-5519, 855-565-5519, or go to StandWithIsraelTour.com. StandWithIsraelTour.com.
The Dennis Prager Show, live from the Relief Factor Pain-Free Studio.
Hey, I want to say something here since this is the last segment. It's the last segment, it's a short segment. I had a lot of pent-up monologuing that I really kind of exploded all over you today. I'm looking at this call screen before me. It has stayed jammed for 3 straight hours, and I want to apologize to those that I did not get on the air. And I mean that sincerely. You call and you want to be a part of the conversation, and then you got a guy who just keeps on going. I just had a ton of stuff I had to get through today. I didn't even have a chance to promote my own social media. I'm terrible at promoting social media. But I'm on Twitter at France Rants, FRANTZRANTZ, and I'm on Truth Social, Trump's Truth Social, as always, right, WHK.